Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I've got a new obsession and it's this awesome water bottle from Ozizo. It's my constant companion and I cannot live without it. I take it everywhere with me on trips, to the beach, to the airport, to the gym, you name it. Staying hydrated is super important to me and this bottle has definitely helped me stay on track. Plus, it keeps my drinks cold all day long, which is a huge plus. And let's not forget about the quality of the bottle. It's made with great materials and has a few handy features like anti-dust cover and a secure lock. It's also super easy to carry thanks to the handle. And it comes with a straw and a shaker, which is amazing. It's like having a mini water bottle bar in my hand. I love this water bottle and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for a reliable and stylish way to stay hydrated. And with that being said, that's just my point of view.